Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. Alright, so today is July 18, 2024. So recapping muna tayo sa result kahapon. 415773 and 9 PM naman 404, no? Ito pala yung missing number. Alright, sa missing number 268 and 689. Okay, so may chance na lalabas, no, ang missing number. Try nyo lang tayaan yung missing number. Okay, so VIP number for today, July 18, guys, no? Try natin. Alright, so VIP number for today 511 922 and 833. Target Rumble. Okay, so July 18. Alright, so yan, no? And then meron para tayong paraffle. Huwag kayong kalimutan, no? July 31, 2024 ating paraffle draw. Okay, PM nyo ako sa gusto po ng maka-join sa ating paraffle. So yan po ang ating July 18, 2024. So good luck po sa lahat. Sana manalo po kayo at swertihin.